Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to make your home feel truly alive by bringing the outdoors in. Let's explore 16 of my favorite indoor plants to help you create your own green oasis, no matter your space or experience. First up, let's talk about the snake plant, a true classic that's beloved by both beginners and seasoned plant enthusiasts. With its tall, upright leaves that feature striking variegated patterns, the snake plant instantly adds a modern sculptural touch to any space, whether it's a living room, bedroom, or even a home office. But its beauty is just the beginning. The snake plant is also a powerhouse when it comes to purifying the air. Unlike many other houseplants, it continues to filter out toxins and release oxygen even at night, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms where clean air is especially important for a good night's sleep. One of the best things about the snake plant is how incredibly easy it is to care for. It thrives on neglect, tolerating low light conditions and requiring only occasional watering, perfect for anyone with a busy lifestyle or those who might forget to water their plants from time to time. You can place it in almost any spot, from a sunny windowsill to a dim hallway, and it will still flourish. If you're looking for a houseplant that delivers maximum impact with minimal effort, the snake plant is truly the ultimate low-maintenance, high-impact choice. Add one to your home for instant style, cleaner air, and peace of mind. The peace lily brings elegance with its glossy leaves and striking white blooms. Thriving in low light and purifying air, it's perfect for brightening up dim corners and creating a calm, refined vibe. Meet the pothos, joyful, trailing, and nearly indestructible. Its vines spill beautifully from shelves or baskets, and it thrives in almost any light. A splash of green you can drape anywhere for instant charm. Want drama? The Monstera deliciosa is your showstopper. Its iconic split leaves make it a living sculpture and a bold focal point. Place it in bright, indirect light and watch new leaves unfurl, each one a surprise. Despite its exotic look, it's easy to care for. The Monstera is more than a plant, it's a living work of art. The ZZ plant is the definition of tough, perfect for anyone who forgets to water. Its glossy, upright leaves thrive in low light and need minimal care. It stores water in its rhizomes so it can go weeks without a drink. The ZZ plant brings lush greenery to even the darkest corners. The spider plant is pure fun, with arching leaves and baby spiderets that dangle playfully. Great for hanging baskets or shelves, it's easy to propagate and share. It's also a top air purifier, making your home fresher and more lively. Resilient and adaptable, it's a cheerful addition anywhere. The rubber plant makes a bold statement with its large, glossy leaves in deep green or variegated hues. Upright and sculptural, it adds height and drama to any room. It loves bright, indirect light and needs only occasional watering. Wipe its leaves to keep them shiny, and let this showpiece anchor your space. The fiddle leaf fig, with its broad, violin-shaped leaves and striking silhouette, has become the ultimate icon of modern interior design. Its lush, glossy foliage instantly elevates any room, making it a favorite among decorators, influencers, and plant lovers alike. Whether you place it in a cozy living room, a chic office, or a sun-drenched corner, the fiddle leaf fig commands attention and brings a sense of vibrant, natural elegance to your space. But this plant is more than just a pretty face. The fiddle leaf fig is a living sculpture, a statement piece that can transform the atmosphere of your home. Its large leaves not only filter the air but also create a calming, tropical vibe that's hard to replicate with any other houseplant. To keep your fiddle leaf fig thriving, consistency is key. It loves bright, indirect light. Too much direct sun can scorch its leaves, while too little will stunt its growth. Find a spot where it can bask in gentle sunlight, and try not to move it around too much, as it prefers stability. Water your fiddle leaf fig when the top inch of soil feels dry, and remember to dust its leaves regularly to keep them glossy and healthy. Yes, it can be a bit finicky, But with a little patience and care, you'll be rewarded with a stunning tree-like companion that truly feels like a living piece of art in your home. Aloe vera is both beautiful and practical, a sculptural succulent with healing gel inside. Keep it on a sunny windowsill and let the soil dry out between waterings. Snip a leaf for soothing burns or skin irritations. It's a low-maintenance functional plant that gives back. The Boston fern adds softness and texture with its feathery, arching fronds. It thrives in humidity, perfect for bathrooms or bright shaded spots. With a bit of care, it brings timeless, lush beauty to your home. The heartleaf philodendron charms with its trailing, heart-shaped leaves. Versatile and easygoing, it softens shelves and mantels or climbs a trellis. It tolerates a range of light and is a great air purifier, a classic heartfelt plant for any space. The Chinese evergreen thrives in low light and comes in stunning patterns and colors. It's low maintenance, forgiving and perfect for brightening dark corners. A dependable, beautiful plant for any home. Dracynus add height and structure with their tree-like form and striking leaves. They fit tight corners and need only occasional watering and indirect light. Choose from many varieties for a modern, architectural touch. Calatheas are living art, with ornate patterned leaves that move in response to light. They crave humidity and consistent moisture, ideal for kitchens or bathrooms. Their dynamic foliage brings personality and movement to your space. A bit particular, but truly rewarding for plant lovers. The jade plant is a symbol of luck and prosperity, with thick coin-shaped leaves. It loves sunlight and dry soil. Overwatering is its only enemy. With care, it grows for decades, becoming a cherished part of your home. The Areca palm brings a breezy, tropical vibe with its feathery fronds. It fills bright corners, purifies air, and adds gentle movement to your space. Keep its soil lightly moist and enjoy a permanent vacation feel at home. That's 16 beautiful plants to bring life and joy into your home, each with its own unique character and charm. Whether you're drawn to the sculptural leaves of a fiddle-leaf fig, the trailing vines of a pothos, or the cheerful blooms of an African violet, there's a plant out there that's perfect for you. If you're just starting out, don't feel overwhelmed. Begin with just one plant. Find a cozy spot in your home that gets the right amount of light. Pick a pot that makes you smile, and gently nestle your new green friend into its new home. As you water, prune, and watch it grow, you'll find yourself connecting not just with the plant, but with the rhythms of nature itself. Plants have a remarkable way of grounding us, reminding us to slow down and appreciate the small moments. They purify our air, brighten our spaces, and can even boost our mood. Over time, you might find that your collection grows, each plant telling a little piece of your story, where you found it, who gave it to you, or how it thrived under your care. I'd love to hear about your favorite plant or a special memory you have with one. Share your stories in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Now go out and find a plant that helps tell your home's unique story.